Hey, over here. What are you doing? She disappeared back into the bush. She really is more like a wild dog than a lap dog. Here's Martha. Come let us see your little face. She's in here, this part of the bush, Brad. Oh. Don't you want to go see Miss Marple? And where she is? Come here, Miss Marple. Come on out. Come on out, please.
The rustling is too funny.
Disappears back in there.
There's this heavy rustling sound.
At least Miss Martha has something important to her. Otherwise, what would she do? She can't sit around and read a book or watch television.
She watches television.
No, I don't think so.
Miss Marple.
Miss Marple!